Hello and welcome to Mathematics Online. Today we are going to solve worksheet 6 of chapter fractional number. Today in this topic we are going to solve the multiplication with a fraction and a whole number. In this topic, question number 1A of worksheet 6 is 1 by 3 into 2. In this question we are going to multiply a number that is 1 by 3, that is fraction, into 2. So 1 into 2 by 3, this is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, so this is your answer. Next question is a mixed fraction and a whole number. In this question, first of all we have to change this mixed fraction into a fraction, that is 10 into 10 plus 1 by 10. This is equals to 101 by 10 into 15. In this case we have to cancel with the common factor, that is 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So 3 multiplied by 101 is equals to 303 by 2, and when we solve in a mixed fraction it becomes 151 whole 1 by 2 as a answer. Okay, next question is a mixed fraction and a whole number. The same thing you have to do. In this question, first of all change this into a fraction. 3 into 8 plus 5, that is 3 is 24 plus 5, 29 by 8 into 32. In this question 8 is the common factor, 8 1s are 8 and 4 8s are 32. Okay, so 29 into 4 by 1, this is equals to 116 as a answer. Okay, so you have to do the same as in worksheet 6. Okay, now in worksheet 7, you have to multiply a fraction with a fraction. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. In this question 2 into 4 and 2 into 4 and 3 into 5. So 4 to the 8 by 15 is your answer. Okay, next one is a mixed fraction and a mixed fraction. So in this case 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 into 25 by 3, that is 3 to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 25 5s are 125 by 2. Okay, now solve this. This becomes 62 1 by 2 as an answer. Okay, next question is fraction into fraction into fraction. Same thing here, 4 into 7 into 24, 5 into 8 into 35. So in this case 7, here 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35 and 8 3s are 24. Okay, we will cancel this. So 4 into 3 and 5 into 5, 4 3s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. So 12 by 25 is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve worksheet 7. Now come to worksheet 8. This is also very easy. In this case 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 is equals 4 by 5. You have to write 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2. 1 second. So you have to write 1 by 2 here. Now question number B, 9 by 17. Okay, and here 7 by 13. 7 by 13. Okay, similarly when we multiply any number with 0, it gives you 0 as a result. When you multiply any number with 1, it will give this number itself. Okay, similarly here you have to write 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here 5 by 6 is your answer. Here multiply with 0 will give you the result as 0. The same number 15 by 28 gives you the same result multiplied by 1. So 15 by 28 is your answer. Okay, here we'll get 0. Here 2 by 5, you have to multiply 2 by 5 here. Alright, 2 by 5. And you have to write 3 by 7 here. You have to balance the two equations. Okay, that's all.